le magasin de chaussures, the shoe shop. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the vocabulary of the shops in French. So let's start. Un magasin, a shop. Une boutique, a shop. La boulangerie, the bakery for bread. La pâtisserie, the bakery for cakes. La librairie, the bookshop. La presse, the newspaper store. Un supermarché, a supermarket. Une épicerie, a grocery shop. La boucherie, the butchers. La poissonnerie, the fishmongers. La cordonnerie, the cobblers. La pharmacie, the pharmacy. Le fleuriste, the florist. La bijouterie, the jewelry shop. Le tabac, the tobacconist. La parfumerie, the perfume shop. La papeterie, the stationery shop. Le centre commercial, the mall or the shopping center. L'animalerie, the pet shop. La droguerie or la quincaillerie, the hardware shop. La mercerie, the haberdashery. L'opticien, the opticians. La jardinerie, the garden center. Le magasin de bricolage, the DIY store. Le magasin bio, the health food store. L'épicerie fine, the deli, and le magasin de jouets, the toy shop. Of course, there are more shops than the ones listed there. Remember that shops are places you find in a city, a town, or a village, and as a result, when we use a verb of movement or a verb describing a state, like the verb être, to be, we would need to use the contracted articles au, à la, à l'apostrophe n, au. So for example, I can say, je suis au supermarché. I am at the supermarket. Or, je vais à la boulangerie. I am going to the bakery. With that said, le fleuriste and l'opticien are actually not the name of the shop, but the name of the profession. They are used because the shop doesn't have a name. This means that with these two, le fleuriste and l'opticien, the contracted articles can't be used. Instead, we must use the preposition chez. For example, je vais chez le fleuriste. I am going to the florist. Or, je suis chez l'opticien. I am at the optician's. The preposition chez is used when we refer to someone's place, shop, or practice. We will study it in details later on. So you may have understood that the contracted articles are used with places while the preposition chez is used with the profession. For example, I can say, je vais à la boulangerie. I am going to the bakery, but je vais chez le boulanger. I am going to the baker's. Or, je vais à la cordonnerie. I am going to the cobbler's. But, je vais chez le cordonnier. I am going to the cobbler's. And actually here, it is more common to hear people say je vais chez le cordonnier instead of je vais à la cordonnerie. We have seen many names of shops. Many more are obtained by using the word le magasin followed by the or the apostrophe and what the shop sells, like le magasin de chaussures, the shoe shop, or le magasin de vêtements, the clothes shop. So if for any reasons you can't remember the name of one of the shops, you could follow this rule and use le magasin de and what the shop sells, even if the shop has a proper name. It won't be correct, but at least people will understand if you say, for example, le magasin de plantes instead of saying la jardinerie, or le magasin d'animaux instead of l'animalerie. That's it for the vocabulary of shops. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!